What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Brittany Automotive. So last week my video looked a little different. I used a different camera, and I'm not really sure I enjoy that camera for what we were doing, so I probably won't use it out here anymore, but I will get more into that in a couple weeks of what that camera is going to be used for. Currently, as you can see, some more stuff was taken off of the Camaro, off of camera, and that would be the K-member and the wheels and all that good stuff. So today we are going to be unboxing my UMI K-member, and then we're going to be putting the Nitrous shocks back onto the car. So that is Noodles. Let's go open my new K-member. The garage is an absolute disaster. But there's the K-member, and that's the box we gotta open.
Newton meters?
Yep. Like those numbers don't make any sense. I'm gonna have to do that while I stand up. Ugh. I feel like I'm torquing my truck. Lug nuts.
Except you're in a worse position.
Except I can't bounce on it. Seriously? Thank you. You're a so bad drilling through this.
I know, right? It's so nice. Okay.
Oh, brake fluid, my favorite.
Easy with a pilot hole, wasn't it?
Yeah. So I was gonna put the Mincer shocks on and get the whole front end put back together today, but turns out I am missing some hardware for the shocks, and I think I lost it during the move, so I'm gonna have to order another set of that. But we did get the old K-member out and the UMI one in, so let's go take a closer look. So this is what we're working with on the old one. This is not stock either. This was like customized for my build. My dad helped me out a lot with that, but I'm not sure if that has always been bent so that it fit my rack, but I don't know. It's not that great of a K-member, obviously. It was only supposed to last a season, but now we have the nice UMI one. And then the mincers that are going to go on it once I get the hardware. And then I also have, so this is an LS1 K-member, and I have LS1 mounts, but I have the ICT billet adapters for my engine. So that'll work perfectly. But yeah, just got the brake line put back on there, and that runs right along it. And then we will get these shocks on this week.